Hi everybody, this is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Tuesday, April 11th, 2023. So, in today's report, I said that the bulls are trying to get above the 41.33, and if I meant above the resistance line that we are at, and if they succeed, they're going to get up to the 41.33. Should come quickly. Hard to say if they will risk jumping in, jumping over that today because we have important inflation numbers coming out tomorrow. And really, what I was expecting was the market to kind of just remain doing nothing, and that's exactly what happened. There's times that you want to press the a trade and not. And for me, going into a time period where it's very dangerous to do. I would rather just sit back and wait and let and see things play out. So we don't have any buy or sell signals. So we're not getting any information from there. Here's the important 30, 40, not the 41.33. We made it up to the 41.24, and then from there we dropped 16 points into the close. So we're finishing in the same spot, and I mean nothing has really changed. If I mean my preferred pattern is that we're going to head up and test this 4200, possibly 4300. But as we've been saying, the bulls are running low on time here, so we've been long, ever since March, saying that we're looking for it to come into April. Now we're in April, and being that we've been consolidating throughout April, having a push to the upside would make the most sense. And as I've been saying, I still believe that it's going to be the 4200 or possibly even the 4300 as an upside target. And from there, that's where I'm anticipating that we're going to see sentiment get to extreme bullish sentiment readings. Most likely, we're going to have some sell signals, and then from there, as everybody's getting bullish on this market, that we'll be looking to short. Now, again, if we break down tomorrow and we start taking out important support, I'm just going to close the trade from the 39.40. It would have been better to close up here, but we've already closed three different third positions with really nice gains. So this is just gravy right now. And again, we're not going to lose money because all you have to do is just put a stop at 39.40. If it heads up, we start scaling out. If it heads down, really my line in the sand is going to be right around this right around the 39.95 level. But we do have an open gap at 39.78, so maybe give it a little more room. It's and really, there's only so many ways to really to explain that this market is doing nothing. Now, here's the 15-minute chart. You can see we had bearish divergences as we are approaching this, these highs right here, and that was enough to bring it down. So we're seeing buy signals when we're approaching support and sell signals as we're approaching resistance, and all we're doing is just consolidating, which again, from this pattern would imply that we're going to break through this resistance and head up to the 4200 level. But as I said, it's one of those things where you just stay open minded right now, and you don't worry about it. We're going to be zooming in on a date, for when the top is going to come in. And until then, we're going to continue to try to ride the long side on it. But as I said, I'll be pretty quick to switch hats because we've been really getting long since the early March, and we've had a great run. So if it comes down tomorrow, then what we do is close our long position, wait for a bounce, and then we short it. If we head up tomorrow, then what happens is we simply start scaling out as we get up there. So as I put in the report today, we have the CPI numbers coming out tomorrow. I think I forget what everyone's, but it's market moving. So yeah, I didn't think anybody was going to make any huge trades today, and that's pretty much exactly what happened. And as I said, I'm I believe that we're heading higher, but I'm not married to that position. If we start coming down, I'm not going to fight that because this did exactly what we thought it was going to do, and now we're turning around and if it comes up, it's going to be gravy. We'll probably make close to 15% on our SSO trade, and if it comes down, then we'll make a less than that. But again, we'll know that we're looking to be shorting rally. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Enjoy your night, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.